A blessed day to everyone. I'm Mr. Alan Ortiz, an educator, author, and a content creator. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. In today's video, we will discuss about assessment based on the revised curriculum of the K-10 program. The K-10 revised curriculum ensures that students develop basic literacy and numeracy skills, offering them the right balance of academic and extracurricular activities. Furthermore, it aims to make the learning process more dynamic, flexible, and focused on students' diverse learning needs. On the revised K-10 curriculum, we followed the 7 E's model. At the end of the model, there is assessment. We have to follow the four instructional facets of teaching: the engage, explore, experience, and empathize. And at the end of the learning process, we have to assess the learners. In its definition, assessment tools are methods and instruments used to evaluate and measure students' learning skills and knowledge. They can take various forms including tests, quizzes, projects, portfolios, observations, and more. These tools help educators to gather data, track process, identify areas for improvement, and tailor instruction to meet the individual needs. We have different types of assessment: diagnostic, formative, summative, common, placement, and authentic assessment. There are traditional assessment used by teachers: tests and quizzes, projects and papers, presentations, and portfolios. Here are some digital assessment tools that will help the teachers assess students' progress. And other assessment tools are rubrics, checklists, observations, interviews, surveys, and reflective writings. To learn more about the topic, you may contact me at my email or subscribe to my channel. Thank you.